Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. So much happening right now. And I had to go to Dollar Tree and I haven't been in a long while. I'm looking for pool noodles for Christmas decorating, and of course it's, fall, so there's not really any pool noodles anywhere. So I'm hoping I find some. I'm going to go tomorrow and I will tell you why in just a minute. I'm going to go again to a different store. But anyway, this is a Dollar Tree haul and I'm thankful for Dollar Tree. It has been able to give me the ability to do a lot of crafting and not have to spend a whole lot of money, especially when I didn't have a lot. So I'm going to share with you some of the finds that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and then I also have some pictures that I took, and I'll put those at the end. So I hope that you will stay tuned. And the Dollar Tree dance. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, let's do it. Anyway, I know I'm kind of silly, so I hope that you'll stay after that. Anyway, I do have a hidden giveaway in this video. Surprise! Hidden giveaways are hidden throughout the month, and I draw a winner when I draw my monthly giveaway drawing at the end of the month. So this will be drawn and announced on November 30th. So you have up until then to enter. You must enter the word kind in the comments below this video, and it is for this cute little paper punch. It's a circle punch that's 1/4 of an inch. I've never used it, but it's brand new, and it looks like this, and it's cool. It's a little cute punch. So anyway, put the word kind in your comments, and you'll be entered for this hidden giveaway. Now, you do have to follow the same rules as my other giveaways, 18 or older, US only, that kind of thing. So anyway, all right, so let's dig in to the Dollar Tree haul. First thing that I want to show you is something that I have never seen at Dollar Tree, or at least I never paid attention to it. And I'm doing some fun decorating of our house this year. And look what they had. They had this huge garland, ornament garland. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it is huge. And it was $7. It's just called Ball Garland, and it is 67.25 inches long. I mean, long. And $7? I mean, at a bigger store, craft store, decorating store, home store, that would cost more than $7. So I'm excited to get it and use it in my Christmas decoration. Are you finished decorating, or have you started yet? All right, let's move on. Next, I did pick up some little poinsettias. I do have some, but I'm going to cut them apart to go with my decorating. So I just wanted red, and I got a few stems, and then I got the little ones with some glitter so that the lights will sparkle off of them, and then a couple of pine cone picks, and that pretty, this pretty glittery pick. What is it called? It's just called a fern. Okay. So anyway, I did get these, and it is sharing the glitter with me everywhere, but I like glitter. That's okay. Sparkle's good. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to do some decorating. So, all right, next. I did pick up a few things. A lot of things are Christmas related, so just to let you know. Some stuff for kids' church for their treasure chest. So this little plushie, it's a little reindeer. It has a little Santa hat, super cute. And then I picked up some small napkins. We put these napkins by the coffee maker. Kevin has a spoon he uses all the time, mixes the sugar, sweet and low, whatever. And then, so I thought, well, we'll put that by the coffee this time. I did pick up some of these glitter snowflake stickers, the same thing. I use these a lot too, and you get 25 stickers, different size snowflakes. Then I don't remember if I had picked these up or not, but these are stamps and they are big alpha and numeric stamps. You get 36, and I'm excited to find these big ones from Dollar Tree. Have you found those? I also picked up a set of cards. Did you know Dollar Tree sells cards, Christmas cards and envelopes? There's 12. I'll show you the ones they are. And I was thinking of making a Christmas card journal. Would you like me to do that? So got this one with Santa, which I think Santa's cute. Got this one with the Christmas tree. Got this one with the little house. And then the beautiful poinsettias. And then it comes with not just white envelopes, but green, red, and white envelopes. So you get 12 envelopes, 12 cards. So anyway, pretty good deal, I think. And these are not just like flimsy either. Another thing that I use in my junk journals and crafting are tags. So whenever I go at Christmas time, I always look at the tags that they have, you know, for Christmas wrapping. And you get 25 tags. These are 2 by 4 inches, and they're already pretty and embellished. So I like to use those. Then I did get some of the self-adhesive to and from tags for gifts. We'll use those for sure. I picked up these. You get 20, and then the set. So if you can see it, there we go. So these will be really fun to use in my Christmas journal and December daily. All right, so I did get these are poinsettia, and they're called ornaments. I'm not quite sure why, but they have a little claw on there. I don't know if you can see it. I just threw that down. Little claw right there. So it can clip onto different things. And so I did pick up some of, I think I have some, but haven't looked in a while. All right, another thing they have out are they have Christmas mugs, Christmas and holiday towels, hand towels, kitchen towels. So I got these, and these are the North Pole Christmas Candy Company. If anybody's seen my decorating in my kitchen, it's all like candy canes and gingerbread and all that. And so I thought these were perfect. They were made for me. Then I picked up a little bit of candy. They have mini candy canes that are Smartie flavored. So those are for my son. And then they had Smartie and a little Christmas thing for your stocking. They also had these cute little gummy snowman and Christmas trees. So cute. They had the light up bulb sucker. So it lights up, but it's also a sucker. So interesting, right? I think I bought those before. And then I always use these large paper clips. So I picked those up. And I hadn't seen these at Dollar Tree. Maybe you have. Again, I haven't been shopping in a while. But they had hotel keys. And that is super fun to add to your journal. So anyway, all right. So that's that one. Then this is why I'm going back tomorrow for sure, is these little miniature Santa Clauses. Now, my husband collects Santa Clauses, and you might not know that, but he has quite the selection, and every year we look for new ones. Well, I didn't know Dollar Tree had these, and they are pretty nice, and they were $7. So we got this one, and they're in good shape. Like, they're not cheapy looking. They actually look like they are a similar mold to the ones of some of the ones he has. So they have this one, and I picked up this one. He was so surprised. That's why we're going tomorrow, to see if we can find some more. And this Santa in the red has a train he's holding. So really cute. And he inventories them and keeps track of what he has. And he even had, my sister bought him one last year. So it's a thing, you know, who collects Santas. Anyway, they had these cute mugs, and I'm gonna make something for Christmas because they're initials mugs. So look how cute they are. They're the black and white. That's B for my son. And then I got one for Kevin and one for Kirsten, and they both start with a K. Look at that. Pretty nice. Royal Norfolk microwavable dishwasher safe, it says. Anyway, so Christmas present, probably put like some teas in there. They like tea or hot chocolate and that kind of thing. Kevin likes coffee, so probably, you know, coffeeed up. If you'd like some ideas for gift ideas for Christmas, let me know that too, because I have been really solely working on junk journals, and I've kind of, you know, not done a whole lot of those. So if you'd like some, let me know. All right, long straws. I love long straws, and they're hard to find, and I found them at Dollar Tree, and there are 80 in here. Okay. Now the kids, the kids' treasure chest at church, I buy a bunch of stuff and put in there. So here's some stuff that I got. So this isn't for the treasure chest. This is for their pencils that seem to lose their erasers. So that is 18. Then they had naughty or nice Krabby Patties. How cute is that? So I guess the naughty ones are Cole and the nice ones look regular. Anyway, if you're looking for stocking stuffers. Okay, I got a light bulb. That's a sucker. They had Airhead Extremes. Kids love sour stuff and hot, spicy stuff. Merry and Bright chocolates. So you get, I don't know how many chocolates you actually get, but there's 4 different kinds on here. So it may just have 4, I don't know, but it's kind of fun. Let's see, Holiday Dots. Sour Patch Twists, Snowman, Swedish Tales, those are not related. Peeps, they have Peeps. They had this cute little holiday bear, which will be cute. They had Sour Patch Kids, Gummy Blocks, seasonal. How cute is that? So I guess they have different shapes in there. And then the other Peeps Christmas tree. And then just a couple of other things that were in the bottom here. These little tiny bells. Yay! And then some ribbon. They didn't have my favorite ribbon, but they did have this cloth ribbon and this. So that'll be good for Christmas. Anyway, that is my haul. What's your favorite thing? What do you think about those Santas? Now, if you don't collect Santas, it wouldn't mean the same to you, but I'm going to tell you. And if you go back and look at some of my last December's videos, there's somewhere where I show the Santas in one of them, probably a house tour or something like that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon.